I've been using the Sleeper Fantasy app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. In this video, I'll go over the main features, the pros and cons, and everything you should know before using it. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of what the Sleeper Fantasy app is all about. Sleeper Fantasy is a mobile-first platform designed to make fantasy sports more exciting, social, and easy to manage, especially if you're into fantasy football. Unlike older platforms with cluttered layouts, Sleeper offers a modern, user-friendly experience where managing your leagues and contests feels fast, smooth, and all in one place. The app mainly focuses on NFL fantasy football, but also includes basketball, esports, and daily fantasy contests. You can set up redraft, dynasty, or keeper leagues with plenty of scoring and roster customization. One of the best parts of Sleeper is the built-in chat system. You can message your league, talk strategy, or just have fun trash talking during the season. Drafts are interactive too, with live editable boards and the option to cast them to your TV. There's also a pick contest feature where you can predict player stats, choosing more or less for a chance to win cash prizes up to 100x your entry. The design is clean and easy to navigate, keeping stats, trades, and transactions just a tap away. Live scoring updates make it simple to stay on top of your matchups in real time. From my own experience, Sleeper is intuitive and enjoyable to use. Setting up a league took only a few minutes, and the chat features really make the fantasy season feel social. Switching between season-long leagues and daily contests is seamless. Checking scores, adjusting rosters, or messaging your league is quick and hassle-free. The app runs smoothly, with rare crashes and frequent updates that add new features. However, there are a few drawbacks. If you manage several leagues or play multiple sports, the interface can start to feel a bit crowded. Customer support options are also somewhat limited. And while the app looks great, many users wish it supported more sports beyond what's currently available. Another issue is that Sleeper doesn't accept PayPal for deposits, which can be inconvenient. And if you're more of a casual player, the busy layout might feel a little overwhelming. Overall, Sleeper Fantasy is a modern and engaging app that's perfect for players who want a fast, social, and feature-rich fantasy experience. It blends serious gameplay tools with community interaction to keep you invested all season long. If you're looking for a fresh and easy-to-use fantasy app, Sleeper is definitely worth checking out.